afternoon, peeps. Pay attention, this afternoon we're going to be replacing some bushes on the T25 van. Namely, oh, let me get the heat in position. These bad boys, they're starting to deteriorate a bit. So, I have the bushes in stock. So I thought, reasonable afternoon, not too hot, not too wet. So let's do it. Yeah. They're still serviceable. Still look serviceable. They've just gone around the edges there. They're starting to go, but I mean, there's no cracking inside there. The rust is there. On that pin has taken a bit of. You can see that. Not too bad. Right, next thing is I'm going to have to jack it up so that I can drop the lower control arm. Oh yes. So, I've got a big bar now, and I'm lifting the anti-roll bar at the top, which is taking out the anti-roll link pin there, so I can replace these link pin bushes. It's alright, but the spacer that fits up inside there looks a bit well worn, but unfortunately can't do anything about it at the moment. I haven't got anything to hand, so I'll get the new rubbers out and whack them on, and then maybe think about getting a couple of these bad boys. Alright, here's the rubbers. You go on like that, whacked up. First of all, I'm going to give this washer a bit of a clean up, so I'll put it on there a minute. There we are, back again. A quick wire brush, smarten up a bit. I think I might even treat it to a lick of paint. Probably sprayed the camera now, but hey, collateral damage. Looks like a pair of eyes watching me now. Okay, for my next party trick, is getting this back in here. So, lift up the anti-roll bar again. Right, let's have a think about this a sec. Hang on lads, I've got an idea. So I'm not going to lie, that was a bit of a struggle, but yeah, we got there in the end. And as you can see, here's the new bushes, and the pin insides all been greased up and everything. And yeah, I think it's a good 40-minute job. The other side will take a lot less because I've got the knack of getting it back in. The worst bit is getting it back in again. I mean, the proper way to do the job is to take these off, and then so I put these, I've renewed these in the past. In fact, these are the new ones on here now. I'm looking a bit scruffy, but they are new. Yeah, take the whole anti-roll bar off and the link pins and everything, and then do it that way. But being lazy, I've tried a different route. Oh, that's how I did it in the end. I jacked the lower arm up because getting the pin to come through here, getting the drop link to get through far enough to get the nut started is a bit of a pain in the butt. In fact, it's a bit of a biatch. So I utilised that. Anyway, we're now bush-tastic and just off to do the other side now. Well, that's another job done. This is an afterthought. Thought I'd show you the, hopefully this little camera will pick it up. Yeah, the bushes are pretty manky. I mean, that's what it should look like. Yeah, you can see it's a bit carry packet, I think. So yeah, good afternoon's work. Yeah. Okay, cheers guys. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on this little VWT25 jaunt. A little bit of history on this van. I've had it for quite some time. I bought it in 2008, and a friend of mine showed great interest in it. I needed some cash at the time because I was renovating an old house, so I sold it to him. He had it for 7 years and very rarely used it. He spent tons of money on it himself. It wasn't mechanically minded, so it was all done in a garage and everything. And anyway, I ended up buying it back, and it was in France. I lived in France at the time, so I bought the van back, run it for a few years, went to Spain in it, went to Medoc, Brittany, blah blah blah. Had some great times in it, and then I thought, well, when we moved back to the UK, should we sell it? But I was just so attached to it, I brought it back with me. Dumb, but you know, there you go. Anyway, I'm in the process of re-registering it, which is a whole new story. So yeah, keep in touch and we'll see how I get on with it.